Saidith and welcome back to my channel Saidith. In today's we'll try to do the Genshin Impact temperature gameplay test while using the Realme cooling fan, as you can see friends. So this is a small Realme cooling fan which I got right now, and I'll try to play the gameplay for about close to 5 to 10 minutes of time using this kind of Realme cooling fan, and let's see whether this can actually cool down this monster or not, because right now the phone is really high temperatures on the back side. Let me try to quickly check the temperatures. As you can see friends, right now 42 degrees in this kind of area, and the front side the screen is a 43.4 in this front punch hole near this area, as you can see friends. So I do believe this area need to be cooled down to decrease the high temperatures. So let's see whether this will impact the temperatures in this Realme X7 Max or not. As you can clearly see friends, this is the Max model which I'm trying to use right now. You can see here. So just before this video I uploaded a video on the gameplay and high temperatures and frame drop as well using the third-party FPS meter. I tested that video, so make sure to stay tuned for that video. So right now exactly this camera part I will try to measure after a few minutes. As you can see 43.4 degrees right now detected, and my room temperature is also not that much low. It's only 33 my room temperature, as you can see friends. My surrounding as well, there is no AC, there is no cooler turned on right now. So 43.2, 43.8. I want to see whether the temperature will be decreasing in this phone using the Realme clip or not. So let me try to keep the Realme clip properly. I just want to keep this position, this one pointing at downwards, as you can see in this position. That is what I'm trying to look. Let me try to see whether it's possible or not right now. So exactly in this way. So let me try to slightly bring upside of the camera. So right now I'm trying to bring upside of the camera friends. As you can see, it's not touching to the camera at all. It's not touching to the camera. There's some kind of gap, and right now this area, let's see what will happen. And one more thing, I forgot to check the temperatures exactly this area. So let's check how much. Right now it's 38, 39, 37 degrees, 39 degrees, as you can see friends, 39. Here it's 41, somewhere around here. But here in this location 40 degrees and 39 degrees in this location. That is what I did observe, 40 degrees, as you can see. So right now I'll try to play the game, and this cooling fan right now it's only 34 degrees, as you can see. Even this one as well I did not turn on before using. So let me try to quickly connect the cooling fan in this inverted manner, and let's see whether this will affect the temperatures in this phone or not. This is a really interesting test. Let me try to bring on the top of the camera. I'm trying to bring on the top of the camera. Yes, I think this position should be kind of good to go position in this way. I'll try to play the game. I know this is not practically possible to play in this manner using the cooling fan, because most of the people they'll be using exactly in the middle, but I just want to see whether this will be helping down in terms of cooling this phone or not, the Realme clip. That is what I'm trying to see. Let me try to start the stopwatch and start this cooling fan as well right now. Let me try to turn on this switch right now, and we should be seeing, as you can see, the fan is running right now, as you can clearly see friends. So I'll try to play the game continuously in this manner, and let's see whether we can actually see any kind of difference. So maybe in this way it's kind of possible to play the game holding the phone. In this way it's kind of possible. So right now I'll try to focus on the gameplay. I'll try to play the game for about 5 minutes continuously, and then I'll try to discuss so whether is there any kind of issues or not while playing in this kind of mode. So that's what I'm trying to see. So again I'll be back after a couple of minutes. So during this gameplay I did observe definitely there are some kind of frame drops is happening in this phone while playing the Genshin Impact game. That is the one thing I did observe. As you can see friends, right now there's a lot of frame drops. So this is the reason I did ask you to check the other video which I uploaded on the temperature and the frame drops particularly. I think just before this video, the video should be kind of live by this time. I did upload a video on that one, so make sure to check that video. So right now friends, the gameplay a little bit kind of feels kind of lag a little bit, but not much. I'm trying to use with the highest settings as possible. As you can see, just now since some kind of frame drop has happened just now, and I'm trying to move around. So after 2 minutes of time, let's see the temperature, how much this area particularly is right now. It's of close to 44.4 degrees. As soon as I started to play the game, and the temperature started to increase, and still the fan is kept on running. As you can see, the temperature under this fan is 37 and 38, as you can see friends. Right now it's running 39.2. so inside 35, as you can see. I'm trying to show you even inside as well how much they are. I cannot see any kind of effect using this cooling fan. It says instant cooling, but I'm not sure what is happening right now. So let's say I'll try to use for a couple of minutes more, and then I'll try to come back again. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to I did play the game for about close to 6 minutes of gaming continuously, and the temperatures not dropped below 43. It's only 43 itself. But let me try to check the backside 38. Surrounding temperature is completely, I think, below 40 only. The surrounding temperature 38 degrees, right now 35 degrees as well. So below somewhere around here, if you try to observe under that one, slightly 40 I'm trying to see, 36. So let's see friends what will happen after 10 minutes of continuously gaming in this way. But one thing I did observe is that there is some kind of lag is going on in the Genshin Impact while playing the game. So right now, as you can see friends, it's been close to 10 minutes of continuously playing the game, but let me try to quickly show you the results, what it is regarding the temperature. 43.2. So it did not decrease much in terms of the temperatures. I cannot see much of the difference even while using the cooling fan, which is a Realme cooling fan. Still it's on, as you can see friends clearly. Let me try to slightly remove and show you what is the result. I can see completely water here. The temperature on this one is 26, as you can see friends clearly, 26 degrees. It's completely on, it's working. And right now let me try to show you exactly this area, 36 degrees. As you can see, I think this is not trying to cool this matte surface maybe. So it's nothing cool. I cannot even feel anything right now in this area. It's same as it is. So in here you can see 27 degrees and 28 degrees. It is working. 25 degrees as well, but this is not helping for the Realme X1 Max in any way at all in terms of the cooling. So maybe I think because of this matte surface, later I need to test on the glossy surface as well to see whether this kind of cooling fan will be working or not. Actually on this both phones, I can definitely feel some kind of water coming touching to my hands as well using this kind of method. I think I can actually feel that water as well friends. So thank you for watching this video, and in case if you want me to do this kind of unique kind of comparison, so make sure to comment below. So definitely I'll do that kind of testings, and for this 10 minutes of testing playing this game, the phone temperatures will definitely increase in this phone, the Realme X1 Max device. So it increased to 45 degrees as well right now, as you can see friends, 45 degrees. I'm trying to do my research on this Realme X1 Max, whether this phone is suitable for the gaming or not. So make sure to stay tuned. Very soon I'll try to upload the videos. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.